Well, hello there. Today's best clip of the day comes from Anna Mainz. Damn, that was just perfect setup right there. And gets the 4K too. But anyway, that's it for me, boys and girls. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you tomorrow.
And all of these modes are ruined by tanks. And he just came out and said, yeah, we understand they're getting kind of rolled by tanks. We're going to change that. I think he specifically said like a health nerf or something. When you think about it, if there's events in Overwatch that come up like this, you want to go do the event, but you just run into tanks all day, every day. And maybe on top of that, you just want to go do your weekly. But it says go win 5 games in arcade, and you go play 5 games in arcade, and it's 5 road hogs and a death match running around. But you want to do it because you know if you do all your challenges and you get a free battle pass. It was probably single-handedly the worst change in Overwatch 2 was the impact of tanks on all of the other playlists in Overwatch. And those other playlists are really, really big. And it definitely was not complained about enough. Like, people complain, but I think a lot of content creators, especially, we all sit in ranked all day. So we just focus on stuff like Sojourn.
Okay, if I literally stick it down her throat, then I can kill her. Ooh.
For this game.
Nice.
Yeah, right, he says.
Far back. All right. My bad. No, wait. Does that mean they went toward? I fucking. Let's see. What is he jumping into the wall? Dumbass.
Well, actually, hopefully, if not, we're in a very bad spot, but hopefully they'll be solving.
Be the new Morty voice actor. Oh, jeez, Rick. I don't know. What do you think? I got the job?
Kill card now.
I overjumped it! That doesn't kill. He's already missing HP. That doesn't kill him. Holy fuck.
I'm backing.
Dead. Hey! Hi!
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
That's on the wall still. Oh, nice.
They're gonna.
Put a beacon up again because I'm cool.
Yeah, well, you know what? They came to play.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I got the tracer. Let's go.
Mercy players talk about positioning like the only thing they do is like literally standing behind the DPS player. This is a mercy positioning right now. Hold right click on the Reaper.
No.
You fucking suck.
Oh oui, mais je suis délicieux.
자유,
They mercy ulted. I'm trying to shoot her. I'm doing no damage. She just... Hey, I'm on the mercy right now.
Hi.
I'm on the mercy right now.
Okay. Hey, Megatron, did you know if you use your cleanse?
I'm on the mercy right now.
Hey, buddy, please wake up. Hey, Moira, buddy, hey, buddy, hey, buddy, can you hear me? Buddy, hey, can you wake up? Buddy, hey, buddy.
Oh, wait, it worked!
What do you mean work?
It worked!
What work?
The bug! I have the dragon. What?
I can't see it. Hey, you're telling me they're gonna lag now?
Do you see it?
Like, no, we can't.
Too late into seasons, like this season's almost over, and it probably should have hit at the start of the season. But if they can fix that, then they're looking good.
What was that?
Yeah, he's just sad because he couldn't hook one-shot me.
Do you guys know what whales sounds like? Like whales? They sound like this. They're like,
This is what Overwatch has become, boys.
I speak from experience.
Oh, I'm anti. Yep. There we go.
Did I have to lock it in?
Even if I have to be removed, I'm honored to be on it in the first place. What the Hello? What angle is that?
Hello everybody, here at Blizzard Entertainment. You see, Ana shoots like this.
I'm no easy mark.
But now, in order to help you aim a little bit better, she shoots like this. This isn't a nerf. This is actually a buff. Because this gives you more time to aim.
No, no, she was one. No! No shot! I fucking recalled into the goddamn pole.
Can kill him. No,
Bucket.
I'm dead. Oh, nice.
What? Mr. Baptiste! Go here. You're safe there. Just stay there, bro. It's all good. I got you. Mr. Baptiste! Go back. You're safe there, bro. Don't come here. Bab. I told you, you're safe. Go with the cars. You're safe there.
See, let's find out. So this is the old Overwatch one-shot combo. First, you hit him a little bit. Oh wait, why does that guy already have... What? What? Were they already injured? Hold on a minute. I'm a snipe.
Let the kitsune guide you.